Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura XJ9 espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just did a tune-up and we clean it up, a little bit of preventive maintenance and other things as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using a cappuccino function and we're going to be testing this side of the spout. We're also going to be using the hot water function of this machine and we're going to be testing this side. For this machine, we had to replace the little spouts over here that you see installed here. The older ones unfortunately broke. You can see them right here, just all of them completely broken. This is the bad thing about these machines, or any PEP system machine like the Jura C6 from Jura. They have these kind of spouts that are very fragile to snap, and once they snap, you will have to replace them. We had to replace them on this machine. I had to do a little bit of preventive maintenance inside the machine as well. Servicing the brew unit, replacing all the gaskets, making sure everything is clean, clean up around the grinder, clean up everything around this machine. So as you can see, shot of espresso looking great. Let's do a cappuccino, testing these functions of the steamer. Now this is the steamer from this is not from the machine. This is our steamer, this setup right here. So I'm not sure how it is going to operate. To still be able to siphon milk coming out from the pitcher. We don't have milk, we have milk cleaner, which is going to act just like the cleaner as well, but there you go. This is exactly what you want to see. If we remove these, that's what you want to see coming out from the steamer one, a lot of steam. And if we connect it, of course, it siphons as you saw it before. Now it should be giving the should be doing the espresso. That does pre-infusion, and then it goes to the extraction phase. There you go. Nice flow coming out from the cappuccino spout. 3 ounces of volume, which is approximately where that line is. There you go. Great color. Looking great. You can see all that crema. And now we're going to be testing the hot water function, which is going to be on this side. There you go, steady stream coming out from the one. Excellent temperature, working great. So there you have it, Jura XJ9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.